Hey fellow lifeguard, we're going to go over what you need to bring to your next event or pool party that you're working at. You do need to be in full lifeguard uniform. That does include sunglasses, rescue tube, rescue mask, and a basic first aid kit. If you have your own equipment, feel free to use any of it. You can use all of it if you want. But if you don't have any of your equipment, then you can rent it from Cooksey's. There are two ways to rent it from Cooksey's directly. You can call the company line, which is 731-617-9461. They'll set up a meet point. It does take a little bit longer because they have to gather just one individual equipment. The easiest way to rent the equipment is to come to one of our summer equipment rental days. Again, it's throughout the whole summer, it does say it in the name, and just show up and rent the equipment directly from one of those days. There is a small fee with renting the equipment. Check the website for the fee prices. It does change year to year. Now, if you work for Cooksey's, especially if you work for Cooksey's the entire summer, you get the entire amount that you paid for the equipment back. There's nothing taken out. It's just whatever you pay for, you get entirely back. But if the equipment is damaged, you won't get any of it back. You might as well just keep the equipment because now it's yours. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We are here to make your job as easy as possible. And last but not least, make sure you stay proactive and save those kids.